Devina, what is your take on equal parenting, considering that there are a lot many women out there now, those who are equally vested in their career?
Most of the time, we feel that our partner will not be able to do it as good as I am able to do it. One fine day you will say that मैं सब कुछ करती हूँ, ये वो तुम तो नहीं करते हो, अरे करने दो, एक आधी बार करने दो.
So there's so much pressure to bounce back post pregnancy. How did you manage that part?
कभी कभी प्रेशर फील किया और कभी आई थिंक इट्स अराउंड दैट टाइम आई टॉट माई सेल्फ दैट इट्स okay to not be perfect always.
Hi everyone, welcome to Prega Talks by Ova News. Today we are joined by someone truly incredible, Debina Banerjee, an actor, a mom blogger and a mom of two. Debina's road to motherhood wasn't easy. A road where she had multiple failed IVFs, a quick pregnancy thereafter, and then a hope that never gave up. So let's dive deep into her story, a story of hope, heart and resilience. Hi Debina, welcome to today's podcast. Today we're going to talk about your life where you are juggling between your two toddlers and your day-to-day life. So Debina, my first question is that how do you manage your life on a day-to-day basis with two little ones around you and a full-fledged career?
How I manage, I have no idea, but I think I'm again going with the flow just by being mindful of what I'm doing at that time. So if I am with my babies, I am there with them 100%, and when I'm doing my work, I'm doing that 100%. So I'm not two timing nothing. So if I'm in my work, I'm not thinking about what is happening back home and worrying, because I feel that you need to build a support system whom you trust, and if you trust, you have to trust. Like not just say I trust, and then you have to constantly monitor over them or tell them that this is right, this is wrong, because nothing or nobody is perfect. आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो कि आप वो काम जिस तरीके से करोगे आपके एब्सेंस में वो काम बिल्कुल वैसे ही हो. थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर होता है, एंड यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट. ऑल्सो व्हाट आई ऑल्सो डू इज़ prioritize things, because I know my kids are born, they will grow up, and one day they will grow up so much that they will pave their own path and be independent. So then if I do not concentrate on my career a little now, I think later I will have nothing to do, because I have invested all my time in my kids. And that's what I have seen amongst elders. So अगर मैं उन लोगों को किसी प्ले स्कूल में भेज रही हूँ तो just to feel that I am the mother, I need to do बोल के मैं पूरे टाइम वो उसके स्कूल के सामने खड़ी हूँ या उसको लेने जा रही हूँ, देने जा रही हूँ, सब कुछ खुद इतना मैं कर रही हूँ कि मुझे अपने लिए कोई टाइम ही नहीं मिलता. वो नहीं करके I would rather, if they are in sleeping, supposing for 3 hours, I would rather do my work around that time. That is called timing yourself. And if they are going to a play school, I would rather do my work around that time instead of going, dropping and coming back, picking them up and coming back and standing there outside. Yeah, so I'm doing things little more mindfully. But it's a different thing altogether. Even if you are working or whatever you are doing, when you have children, you get a new set of friends who are your mommy friends, and you have to accept that and enjoy that also. So I enjoy all my mommy friends. It's a fun phase to be in.
So what does a typical day in your life look like now? Can you just walk us through a typical day in your life?
Yes. I wake up, that is the time I spend some time with my children. I have read somewhere that immediately when you wake up, even though we are always in a rush, we know that. So we wake up and you rush out of the bed and go all brushy and do things very like immediately. But instead, I prefer to lie down on bed and do some affirmations with them and the things that I want them to be. So it's not just you know, क्योंकि दिन भर थोड़ा बहुत डांट तो पड़ी जाती है, ऐसा मत करो, ऐसा मत करो, तो you know, you are so nice, you are so intelligent, you are you're so patient, you're such a keen observer, all those things उन लोगों के साथ बातचीत करके talk about the previous day, talk about what is going to happen that day, prepare them, treat them as adults, prepare them, what is the day going to look like for them. So if I have to go out for shoot, I explain to them, I tell them in the morning only that mama will go for shoot today. So all those things, and then I sit with myself. By the time they are busy, you know, doing their morning stuff, playing with themselves, you know, eating their breakfast, I spend that time with myself, because there was a time when they were learning to eat. That time जब solid introduce करते, तो उस time पे मैं खुद करती थी, क्योंकि मुझे डर लगता था फंस गया खाना, ये वो कुछ तो भी होता है, तो सारे मम्मियों को जैसे extra bother करके मैं खुद खिलाती थी. But now that they have learned to eat by themselves, and I sit with myself where I meditate, I have my morning detox, whatever drinks, and I have my coffee, I think, I write, and I start my day with workout. And then yeah, I start my day with whatever work I have. They are a part of me, part of my existence. So everything that they are doing, if they have a birthday, if they have what they are wearing, what is their food today, what nutrition are they having, whether they will what is the fiber that they are taking, everything I count on, and that is cooked for them. Not necessarily I do the cooking, but जब मुझे लगता है कि मुझे कुछ अलग special उसी चीज़ को tweak करके खिलाना चाहूँगी, like make something special, like a brownie or something, but healthy, तो वो मैं खुद बनाती हूँ, like whatever पकोड़ा तो सुन के ही लगता है unhealthy है, लेकिन अगर उसको मैं बच्चों को खिलाना चाहूँगी healthy way में, तो वो मैं खुद बनाती हूँ.
So there's so much pressure to bounce back post pregnancy. How did you manage that part?
कभी कभी प्रेशर फील किया, और कभी आई थिंक इट्स अराउंड दैट टाइम आई टॉट माई सेल्फ दैट इट्स ओके टू नॉट बी परफेक्ट ऑलवेज, बिकॉज आई थिंक आई हैव सीन अप आई हैव grown up seeing my mom to be perfect in whatever she does. She used to manage her child, like my brother who's was very small, like 5 years younger to me. So I have seen that my mother is managing all the household work with a little baby in tow, also managing me, sending me to school, putting me to studies, putting me and my brother to sleep, bathing us, feeding us. I always felt that Ma means like a Durga. But I have taught myself, we don't need to be worshipped. We don't want to be worshipped. We don't have 10 hands. And it's important that we teach our daughters that you don't have 10 hands. It's okay to just be yourself, and being us is accepting us with the flaws. And that's when we will know how to balance. I'm not telling that, you leave everything and just say, I want to relax. But you do 10 things, but we need to strike a balance. Karo, आराम से करो, अपने speed में करो, not at the cost of your health. So I did it at my own time, at my own speed. I understood I'm not feeling fine today. I will not be able to go for my run. Understand your body and do it. You don't need to do anything at the cost of your body, because nobody will award you.
Dubina, on that note, we would like to know as to how your relationship with your own body has evolved over the years. Like first IVF, then pregnancy that followed very quickly, and then maybe now when you're managing your 2 very young kids. So how has your relationship evolved with your body now?
I think I'm in a beautiful relationship with my body now, I have understood that your best friend is your body. This is the only thing that will hold your hand and go till your older age. The more you take care of it, the more beautifully your body will support you through and through. So and your body can do miracles, and your body has the power to heal itself. The body has got the power to do anything, and it's the smartest machine. पहले ऐसा लगता था कि बाहर खाना खा लो, कुछ भी खा लूँ, टेस्टी लग रहा है तो खा लूँ. तो अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब मैं इस मंदिर में जो भी घुसा रही हूँ वो अच्छा होना चाहिए तो ही मैं खाऊंगी, शायद नहीं तो मैं नहीं खाऊंगी. आज मैं बिस्किट उठा के नहीं खा सकती हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव क्लैरिफाइड दैट थिंग इन माई, मतलब इट्स क्लियर इन माई ब्रेन नाउ कि मैं कुछ भी जंक मेरे बॉडी को नहीं दे सकती हूँ. मुझे पता है कि ये चीज़ ही मुझे आगे जाके वो सपोर्ट करेगा. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट व्हेन माई मॉम सेड वंस कि व्हेन आई वाज टेलिंग कि ऐसी तो पेट आ गया मम्मी का, तो मम्मी ने बोला कि सी सेक्शन के बाद पेट आ ही जाता है. तो आई वाज लाइक अच्छा, एंड आई यूज्ड टू थिंक टू माई सेल्फ कि शायद ये मुझे भी जो पेट आया वो जाएगा नहीं कभी. तो बट देन आई टोल्ड माई बॉडी दैट आई थिंक आई कैन, आई कैन. एंड जो लास्ट बिट ऑफ एक पुश देना था मैंने दिया, एंड द स्टमक वेंट. एंड आई टोल्ड माई मॉम दैट एट माई एज आई एम telling you that everything is possible. Age is a number. You can control everything by just feeding your body the right thing and doing all the like keeping it active rather.
So does your husband also support you in your
he's an epitome of a fit person for everybody, I would say. He wakes up at 4 o'clock. He goes for his morning sprinting session. Sometimes he works twice a day, and what he does to his body, and it's beautiful. I mean, how without going through any massive this thing, he has 6 packs throughout the year. So I think I get motivated only, and he used to take me for the morning sprinting session. But that the way I said, you need to adjust with time. Like abhi मैं जा नहीं पाती हूँ, but I do other form of exercise. Yes.
So apart from partnering each other in your workouts, what are the other ways that you probably, what are the other things that keep you connected and going together as a couple?
Everything keeps us going together, and the way I said, we are each other's best friend. I know he's the person I can talk to in my most vulnerable situations, because I feel I am very much in control. I love being in control. इसलिए मैंने बार बार ये चीज़ बोला है that मुझे बहुत घबराहट होती है जब मेरे कंट्रोल से बाहर हो जाता है सारी चीज़ें. So I take it very patiently. आराम से करूँगी लेकिन मेरे कंट्रोल में करूँगी. But किसी और को, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप कई सारी चीज़ें अपने माँ के साथ भी शेयर करते हो ना, माँ मुझसे भी ज़्यादा घबरा जाती है. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि my husband, he is a very calm person. He just listens and he takes it like a sponge and gives me more calmness, so I can share with him everything. So if you can share things with your partner in your most vulnerablest stage, that's the best thing that can happen. So about work, about children, about finance, about investment, about new things, about what we are going to do next, about travel, about food, we just talk it all.
Debina, has motherhood changed your preference of choosing work for yourself, or has it impacted your career in any way, positive way? I mean, what is it that, I mean, what role has motherhood played when it comes to decisions regarding your career?
When we know what is pulling us back is our own thoughts. and this I have come to know very well. What I'm thinking and what I'm actually wanting. There are two
There's a gap
things.
between the
हाँ, मैं कर रही हूँ, लेकिन अगर हो तो भी ठीक है, नहीं हो तो भी ठीक है वाली चाहे चाहती हूँ कि ठीक नहीं हो, तो एक होता है ना, फ़ोन किया लेकिन फ़ोन ना ही उठाए तो अच्छा है, ऐसा अक्सर मतलब कभी कभी होता है. सो दैट थिंग, सो फॉर द लास्ट 2 years ऐसा मेरे पास कुछ कुछ काम आए. जैसे मैंने सेट सुना थोड़ा घर से बहुत ही दूर, तो एक होता है कि अच्छा चलो ठीक है, जाती हूँ, मिल लेती हूँ, पर इतना दूर मैं तो कैसे जाऊँगी. मतलब पहले मैं नेगेटिव थॉट सारे सोच लिए मैंने. तो आई नो दैट समथिंग, द ओनली थिंग दैट आई डोंट वांट टू डू इज़ take a forever commitment, like television is like it's like a forever commitment. There's no end date to it. So मतलब पूरे मैं घर से इतना ही दूर, मतलब सुबह मैं निकल जाऊंगी, रात को आऊंगी, तो तब बच्चे सोएंगे, रात को आऊंगी तभी भी सोएंगे, तो मैं मिलूंगी कब, ये सारी चीज़ें दिमाग में होता है. बट डेफिनेटली if I have birthed them, they are my responsibility. Not only that, I love being with them. So this priority has also changed, that I do not want to do something out of my house, not able to see my kids forever and ever and ever, ऐसे करके endless कब होगा पता नहीं. So that way I have only changed as a person, and I don't regret that.
That's wonderful to know. What kind of emotional and structural support do you think new moms need, but they often do not receive from their family and the society?
I think they do not receive it from their family first. Society तो बात की बात है. Any kind of loose comments कि एकदम day one से ही शुरू हो जाता है. The moment the baby is born, the mother starts feels a bit of a hollow, because they feel that till the time that I was pregnant, the baby was all mine, like I was even breathing and eating for the baby. So the moment the baby is born, then people immediately, I mean the whole country comes in, starts taking care of the baby, starts teaching the mother that this is not supposed to be done like that, that is not supposed to be done like that, you are not supposed to do this, do that, eat what, the baby is hungry or not, and the baby is getting enough milk or not, everything the society kind of hounds on. Even if a मालिश वाली also advises the mother and goes, उसको गैस हुआ है, आपने ज़रूर ऐसा कुछ खाया होगा. So I feel, just look at the mother as the mother. That person has only birthed the baby. So just keep all your comments to yourself, which I think they will never. You cannot teach everybody. So I can only tell the mother that shut yourself from all these things and concentrate on like a blinker, wear those blinkers and concentrate on your baby only, and trust yourself that you will do nothing wrong for the baby. And of course do your own researches and find out what is right and wrong. Because it's all available on some beautiful podcast कि क्या खाने से क्या होता है. शायद माँ के खाने से बहुत गहरा असर कुछ भी नहीं होता है. And whether you are feeding the baby your milk or the formula, it just does not matter. Just do what is best for what you think is the best for your baby.
So last but not the least, what is your message to women, those who are trying, hoping, waiting, and just getting to start their motherhood?
I would say, whether you do not want it today, you would want it tomorrow. And me as a person, I used to feel that, oh my God, मुझे ना बच्चे बहुत पसंद नहीं हैं. ऐसे मैं थी, मैं बच्चों के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर पाती थी. मुझे डॉग्स बहुत पसंद थे. मुझे हमेशा लगता था I'm a dog mommy, so I like it like this and all. But babies के आने के बाद it's a different you altogether. So whichever way you are, it's you at the end of the day. So you need to have control over whatever is happening around you, so that you don't feel helpless tomorrow. Oh my God, what is happening with my life? So one beautiful thing that I can tell you is something called OVA News, where you know the best 5 days of your month, and if you need to target them or to avoid them depending on your situation. So I think that's the best thing that has happened to womankind.
Devina, what is your take on equal parenting, considering that there are a lot many women out there now, those who are equally vested in their career?
I think equal parenting is something that the woman also should understand. Why? Because I somehow feel that most of the time we feel that our partner will not be able to do it as good as I am able to do it. तो वो खुद ही इतना कर लेते हैं. तो आप ही सोचो, आपका काम कोई आपसे पहले आके अगर कर ले तो आप क्यों ही करोगे? आप एक दो बार हो सकता है ट्राई करोगे, उसके बाद आप बैठ जाओगे. सो फॉर एवरीथिंग इन द हाउस, आप अगर आके किचन को ऑक्यूपाई कर लोगे, आप खुद ही रोज़ खाना बनाओगे, तो दूसरा बंदा क्यों? फिर लड़ेंगे बैठ के. आई हैव सीन इन बिटवीन कपल, उसको लेके भी लड़ाई होता है कि मैंने किचन को ज़्यादा साफ रखा है, यू नो, लाइक आई विल डू इट टुडे, नो 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 नो, यू गो आउट, ऐसे वाली चीज़ें भी है. सो यू नीड टू फॉर चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो, यू नीड टू ट्रस्ट दैट दे कैन डू इट equally well. So, and just let it be, you know, let them do. ऐसा मतलब one fine day you will say that, you know, मैं सब कुछ करती हूँ, ये वो तुम तो नहीं करते हो. अरे करने दो, एक आधी बार करने दो. वो falter करेंगे. You were also not born a perfect mother. You have also faltered. आपने भी गलत swaddle किया है, मैंने तो किया, गंदा सॉडल किया, 2 सेकंड में खुल गया हाथ, ऐसा डायपर पहनाया कि सुसु सारा बाहर आ गया. सब लोग गलती करते हैं, लेकिन जब पार्टनर के करने की बारी आती है तो हमें लगता है वो सही नहीं होगा, मैं कर देती हूँ. वो कर के अक्सर यू नो हम उनको चांस ही नहीं देते करने के लिए. आप करने दो, गलत करते करते भी वो लोग सही जगह पे सीख जाएंगे. एंड इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट वी लेट दैट हैपन, वी लेट द केओस हैपन, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हेन इक्वल पेरेंटिंग विल शेप अप, यू नो, हर तरीके से. अब ऐसे बच्चे बचपन में नहीं, बड़े में भी. आई मीन आई लेट माई पार्टनर पिक माई गर्ल्स फ्रॉम द स्कूल अलोन. मुझे लगा अकेले दोनों बच्चों को लेके कैसे आएंगे, बच्चों को बिठाएंगे कि क्या करेंगे कि वो डिस्टर्ब करेंगे. ओ माँ स्मूथली लेकर आ गए. सोच मेरे मन में था कि मैं सोच रही थी वो नहीं कर पाएगा, बट ही डिड इट. सो आई थिंक यू नीड टू समटाइम्स लेट इट गो, जस्ट लेट इट गो एंड लेट देम डू. दे विल डू.
So any advice for new dads or dads to be?
You have no choice, you have to do it, because you know today's women, they are doing everything, you know, they are also working. So unless you you know put your hands in it, it will later you will realize that, you know, the children will only be माँ centric. मम्मा ही चाहिए होगा हर एक चीज़. वो तो ठीक है, बचपन में शायद आपको अच्छा भी लगे कि मम्मा मम्मा, लेकिन थोड़े बड़े हो जाने के बाद माँ बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो जाएगा. सारे जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है माँ के साथ ही होगा. यू विल बी साइडलाइंड कम्प्लीटली. सो स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम डे ज़ीरो.
Thank you, Devina. That was really, really wonderful. Thank you for opening your heart to our audience and giving them such candid, your own experiences. You know, you're probably sharing everything that you probably know of motherhood. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining, and stay tuned for the next podcast.